All right. I shot a TikTok on this and a YouTube. I'm gonna get a full YouTube shot. But this is what I bought yesterday, all right? I paid 600 bucks, all right? You know me. I don't know why, but I like these BMWs. I had a black one before. That bumper is gonna be like 40, 50 bucks, and it's gonna be color matched. So I ain't worried about that. All right? It's not running. I know how to work on these cars, so I ain't worried about that. But this is what I need your help with. What am I gonna do about that? Is that a molded top? Or is that just, because this right here meaning that it was sitting under a tree. Is that mold on the top? Of course, when I showed my wife yesterday, she was just appalled. Like, why would you buy that? But if y'all know, y'all know. It got 97,000 miles on it, and it's a '04, all right? So I know that here in New York area, if I can get this running, right, and look at the inside, get this detail nice, this is like a $4,000 or $5,000 car. Plus, I can have fun, you know? I like these cars. I can enjoy them. But I need help getting that mold off. Help me, help me, help me.